This is Bartley.
This is Tammy.
And this is
BT Adventures!
hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell. There's some. You want me to get me right quick? Any more come up here? Yep. Good boogie board right now.
For BT Adventures 2.
Have a great day.
Peace.